Her favorite comfort food is corned beef. My favorite comfort food is sisig.
His favorite comfort food, sisig, carbonara, gulaman. My favorite comfort food, sisig, french fries, coffee.
Her favorite cartoon character is Winnie the Pooh. My favorite cartoon character is Jimmy Neutron.
His favorite cartoon character, Naruto. My favorite cartoon character, Winnie the Pooh or Baymax.
Her favorite animal is dog. My favorite animal is lion.
His favorite animal, dog. My favorite animal, jellyfish.
Her favorite TV show is Gossip Girl. My favorite TV show is Supernatural.
His favorite TV show, Supernatural. My favorite TV show, Grey's Anatomy.
Her favorite fruit is watermelon. My favorite fruit is mango. Mango.
His favorite fruit, pomelo or mango. My favorite fruit, watermelon.
Her pet peeve is naghihintay ng latecomers, yung di sumusunod sa oras. Pet peeve ko yung indecisive.
His pet peeve, people who have no respect for other people's time. My pet peeve, same or having to wait somewhere hot.
Her stress coping mechanism is alone time. Hindi na mapansin. Ano yun? My stress coping mechanism is playing video games.
His coping mechanism, playing basketball or online. My coping mechanism, watching shows, attending fitness classes, or alone time.